What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you have ever dreamed of unearthing buried treasure, finding lost jewelry, or just discovering cool relics hidden beneath your feet, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 best metal detectors to help you start your treasure hunting journey or upgrade your current gear. Whether you are a complete beginner, a beachcomber, or a serious underwater explorer, we have got you covered. Before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss a review. All the buy links for these products are in the description below. Let's get into it. Starting at number 1, the Minelab Vanquish 440 takes the crown for the best overall metal detector, and this machine is an absolute workhorse. Because it is a multi-frequency detector, it works brilliantly in any terrain with minimal fussing, from grassy parks to wet beach sand. I was able to use it right in the surf and found a child's toy buried 6 inches deep, which really speaks to its accuracy. It is not the most compact detector out there, but it is easy to handle and very user-friendly. The fact that it runs on disposable AA batteries might not be the most environmentally friendly option, but it is incredibly convenient when you are out in the field and need to top up your power quickly. My only complaint is that it comes with a very flimsy pair of headphones that broke on the first use, but honestly, most detectorists I know prefer to connect their own headphones anyway. In the end, this is a dynamic, accurate detector at a relatively affordable price, making it a fantastic all-rounder. Moving on to number 2, the Nokta FindX Pro is our pick for the best value, and this one flew under my radar until I started talking to real enthusiasts. It may just be the best option for new detectorists looking to dip a toe into the hobby without breaking the bank. For less than $200, you get a complete all-in-one kit with an effective digging tool, a nice duffel bag, and decent headphones, which is incredible value. While it is not as accurate as the higher-end models, it is a more than capable VLF detector that found items at both parks and beaches. The performance does suffer a bit on wet sand and underwater, so keep that in mind, but its compact frame and adjustable handle make it accommodating for a wide range of users, including kids and adults. If you are interested in the hobby and do not want to spend a fortune to try it out, the FindX Pro is a fantastic starting point. Number 3 is the XP Deus II, and this is hands down the best metal detector for underwater detecting. Underwater metal detecting is typically the domain of serious enthusiasts, and this high-end machine specializes in exactly that. It features something called fast multi-frequency technology, which allows for superior detection in a variety of conditions, and it is rated for up to 20 meters of water, which is a massive upgrade compared to other picks that top out at just 5 meters. The Deus II offers better and faster response in saltwater conditions, making it much easier to pinpoint buried targets underwater without having to pass over the same spot multiple times. Now, to use it underwater, you will need a few accessories like waterproof wireless headphones and an underwater remote control, which will increase the overall price considerably. But because of its high customizability and 12 preset modes, this is a machine that serious detectorists absolutely love. It is not beginner-friendly, but for the pros, it is unbeatable. At number 4, we have the Nokta Simplex Lite, and this is another excellent entry point for new detectorists. Nokta is one of the 2 biggest brands in the game alongside Minelab, and the Simplex Lite is a strong, basic VLF detector that really impressed me. It has top-notch discrimination, plenty of fine modes, and a good coil size that easily found my testing materials and even led me to beer cans and aluminum foil on the beach. Because this is a single-frequency VLF detector, it does not perform quite as well as the multi-frequency Vanquish 440, especially on mineralized saltwater sand, but it is still a very capable machine, especially if you are searching for specific items like coins and jewelry. It offers fewer customization options than its more expensive counterparts, but it is much easier to pick up and use as a newcomer. If you want to spend a bit more, you can upgrade to the Simplex Ultra, which adds Bluetooth and precision tools like target ID scale and depth, but the Lite is a solid choice to start with. Finally, at number 5, the Minelab Equinox 900 is our pick for the best upgrade, and this is the most feature-rich metal detector I have ever tested. From the second I picked it up, I could tell it was a cut above the rest. The build quality is noticeably better than less expensive models, and it just feels more substantial in your hands. The performance backs up that first impression, consistently pinpointing targets with incredible precision and identifying both their depth and target ID. It features 6 customizable frequency settings, an easy-adjust handle, and Bluetooth support for wireless headphones, giving you incredible control over your search. I was especially taken with the hand grip vibration feature, which gives you a rumbling haptic response when it picks up a target, which is great for loud areas, if you are hearing impaired, or if you are just not paying close attention during a long walk. All that customization is incredible for experts, and even with the pre-made settings, I had a ton of success. It is an investment, but for serious detectorists, it is worth every penny. And there you have it, the top 5 best metal detectors to start or upgrade your treasure hunting adventures. Whether you are looking for the versatile all-rounder in the Minelab Vanquish 440, the incredible value of the Nokta FindX Pro, the underwater beast XP Deus II, the beginner-friendly Simplex Lite, or the feature-packed Equinox 900, we have got you covered. Make sure to check the description below for the latest prices and buy links for all these products. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow treasure hunters, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.